Hi guys, now I have 15 minutes before my haircut, so I just went to Burger King and I'll be using my handphone. I need to fill out some documents, like invoice, send me some, Microsoft send me some invoices, and I would like to put it in my system. And I have just 15 minutes, so I'll connect to my mobile. What I'm using Android phone. I'm using Android phone with T3. And it's just 3G in Singapore. It's one megabit 3G, and if you know how fast this network is in Singapore, I can illustrate. So now I'm connected to my mobile. I'll just try to open up Google. Well, you see Google is opening. Uh, it's pretty slow, I would say, at internet. So what I'll do, I'll just connect to my VPN in the office. So what I'm doing now, I'm connecting to my VPN. Somehow my VPN is connected. Now I try Google again. Maybe it was just VPN settings. Yeah, no, the Google app still can't open. So what I'll do now, I'll just open my Office website. So for you to see that I'm really opening the Office website, I just open up here. You'll see it's our internal server where I keep my Office ERP system. So what I'm doing, I'm just opening it up, and what I'll do now, check my bill. Actually, it's now end of the month, so I have to pay salary and I have to pay CPF and some bills, but I got some bills from Microsoft, so I want to put it in. What I'll do, I'll find similar bills from Microsoft, for example, this one. Yep. And I just copy this bill, and then, well, this is one of our customer yearly renewal. And then I just put a new bill, and I just paste on that bill that I just copied. And next, what I'll do, I will just open Microsoft Invoice, and I change the information 70895. I just copy paste this. No, it's not Future Scientific. It's what? It's Willand Metal Shanghai Limited. We have our customer. I'll just put it here. And again, it's maintenance. Here I made a mistake there. Shanghai Limited. Oh, okay. We don't have enough. Here, but just Shanghai. And here maintenance 1 year. What will it be? It's not 42%, it's 16%. So I'll just change the name. Minimum 16%. And how much? 16%. And I'll just change the note here. Roman 2. Control V. Here, unit code. Take a look how much is it. It's 222.096. 220.96. Okay? That is the maintenance price. And yes, Singapore, so I've changed the sub account. Is it? Yeah. China. And it's taxable because we pay to Microsoft Singapore. Taxable. Mm, by the way, do I have? No, I don't use allocation here. By the way, I mean, just for you, you can use the vendor allocations to indicate that this Microsoft you are paying, but you are paying for VLAN. You can just create multiple allocations, but I will not do it. Now, for this exercise, and we have the rate here. So let's calculate what rate Microsoft is using. So I'll take amount in $6, which is 298. 8373. Don't forget, I'm in Singapore. I need to report my taxes in Singapore. I delete by 2, I get the rate 1.255555. By the way, what's the date of Venus? Date of Venus, 24th of October. Okay, good. 24th of October. Here, 24th. Don't forget, I'm in working using my handphone. Okay, and the rate to do together, 255. Down. Now let's check whether all the rates calculated properly. So total is 2376.43, right? So I'll just put it in total. 2376.43. Right. Now let's take a look at the taxes. Tax calculated 155.27. Check 155.27. See here. Correct. Switch to single review. 2993.74. 2993.73. Ha ha ha. Microsoft didn't calculate the rate properly. Let's check what they calculated actually. Indoor tax 195.20. Let's check 195. It's correct. And the taxable GST base. Uh, they don't indicate 195.20. Tax is correct. The total they calculate is not correct. Because if we add this and this, we'll get 74, but they got 73. So what we can do, we can just change the base amount to 53, which is basically the, I mean, we can amend the rate a little bit, of course. I think it's the last digit that we use. We use 2555, and then they just have it a little bit bigger. So I try to change the last digits to say 4 to make it a little bit smaller. Now it's 4. You have 73. Okay. Smaller. The thing is, the Microsoft is not telling us the just put it 0. It's not telling us the correct rate that they use. 47, 20, 53. Yep. So now you can see 53, 20, 73. Actually, because in Microsoft Invoice, they do not indicate the actual rate. They just indicate the totals. And the rate you guys calculate. Thank you, Microsoft. Okay, now it's done. So we put the rate, we put the amount. And time to release it. I'll just release it. But before I release, I have to check. And also take customer number, which is different. This customer number, voice, okay, and then I attach the file with the invoice, which is 95 file 895. I just attach the file 895 895. See, I uploaded the file and that's it. My document is ready. I have to pay. Let me check the due date. I have to pay by 4th of January. 4th of January. Yeah, that's correct. See, this is it. One invoice is done. Release. And okay, go to the haircut. Well,